Hi guys, you're all level crossing in Gloucestershire with Ruscoven. That's a nice alarm here. Right. The time is 13:01 on 13:02 now on Saturday, the 30th of December 2017. This is for your 13:04 2 Golf 58 Awre Trains Wales service from Maesteg to Cheltenham Spa. Now this is the last crossing I'm filming here today. I know I haven't filmed all the crossings along this line yet. There's still one more, Westbury on 7, but I'm not filming that today though. It's a metal tension wire here. Both of the barriers hit the floor and they stay on the floor. This is a nice crossing, this is. Hardly any vehicles have come across. No vehicles have come across have approached this crossing on the first closure or this closure. Nice, the sun's come out as well. You can see why the skirt's bent, because look, it's all because the weight of this is actually pushing it down. As you can see here. Well, I'm not going to lift it up though, but not lifting it high enough to set the alarms up again. I don't want to do that. I'm not going to lift it up enough to make the alarms go off again and set the signals back to danger. I'm not that stupid. So I don't think I'm doing that to set the alarms off, because I'm not. Anyways, it's just coming now. Well, I'm not lifting it very hard anyway. Well, it's not even. I'm not even taking it off the floor either. So, anyways, here it comes. 150, 242. 150, 242 to Cheltenham Spa.